Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hey food lovers, welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate destination for discovering the world's most unique and flavorful culinary traditions. If you're passionate about food, travel, or both, you're in the right place. Whether you're at home, traveling, or simply exploring new ways to spice up your meals, this channel is here to provide you with stories from all over the world and the dishes that make those cultures so special. In today's episode, we're going on a journey to explore creative substitutes in global cuisines you can't miss. Food substitution is one of the most exciting and innovative trends in global cuisine. From plant-based alternatives to traditional ingredients to simple swaps that change the way we cook, food substitutions have reshaped how we think about ingredients, sustainability, and flavor. Let's dive into some creative culinary alternatives from around the globe. Whether you're looking for healthier options, ways to avoid allergens, or just exploring new flavors, you won't want to miss these exciting swaps. Let's get started. 1. Jackfruit, the vegan meat alternative, India, Southeast Asia, and beyond. Jackfruit has gained massive popularity in recent years, especially as a vegan substitute for meat. The young, green jackfruit has a fibrous texture that mimics pulled pork, making it the perfect replacement for animal-based meats in curries, sandwiches, and tacos. In India, jackfruit is commonly used in kathal ki sabzi, a curry, where the fruit is cooked with a mix of traditional spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander. In the Philippines, it's used to make gino tang langka, a savory jackfruit dish with coconut milk, creating a rich, flavorful base. In the Caribbean, jackfruit is often featured in dishes like jackfruit jerk, where it's marinated in a spicy jerk sauce and grilled like chicken. Jackfruit is not only a sustainable option because it's abundant and requires little water to grow, but it's also rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. It's no wonder that jackfruit is becoming the go-to substitute for meat around the world. 2. Coconut milk, the dairy-free revolution, Southeast Asia, Caribbean, and India. Coconut milk has been a staple in tropical cuisines for centuries, and its popularity is only growing due to its versatility and health benefits. Used as a dairy alternative, coconut milk can provide that rich, creamy texture that's often sought after in soups, curries, and desserts. In Thailand, coconut milk is the base for iconic dishes like tom kha gai, a fragrant chicken soup, and mesamon curry, a flavorful and rich curry made with beef or chicken. In Indonesia, it plays a starring role in soto, a traditional soup made with chicken or beef, and in nasi lemak, where it's used to make the creamy rice. In the Caribbean, it's used in rice and peas and tropical desserts like coconut ice cream or coconut drops. Coconut milk is an excellent choice for those looking to avoid dairy products due to lactose intolerance or personal preferences. It's rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can aid in weight loss and boost heart health. 3. Cauliflower, the low-carb hero, Europe, North America, and the Middle East. Cauliflower is quickly becoming a superstar in the world of food substitutions. Known for its ability to replace high-carb foods like rice, bread, and even mashed potatoes, cauliflower's versatility is hard to beat. It's the perfect option for those following low-carb or keto diets. In Italy, cauliflower is used to make cauliflower pizza crusts, offering a gluten-free alternative to traditional pizza dough. In the Middle East, it is featured in a variation of the classic tabbouleh salad, replacing bulgur with finely chopped cauliflower. In the US, cauliflower rice has become a popular substitute for regular rice in stir-fries and grain bowls, offering a low-carb, high-fiber option. Cauliflower is not only low in calories but also packed with fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants, which makes it a healthy choice for a variety of diets. 4. Tempeh, the nutty meat alternative. Indonesia and the West. Tempeh, a fermented soybean product, has long been a staple of Indonesian cuisine, and in recent years it has gained popularity as a plant-based meat alternative around the world. Tempeh has a firm texture and nutty flavor, making it a perfect substitute for meat in burgers, stir-fries, and even as a bacon replacement. In Indonesia, tempeh is deep-fried, served in traditional dishes like tempeh goreng fried tempeh, or incorporated into gado-gado, a mixed vegetable salad with peanut dressing. In the West, tempeh has become a go-to for vegan bacon, and is often used in sandwiches or crumbled into tacos and wraps. In the Middle East, tempeh is often used in vegetarian kebabs or grilled, and served as part of meze platters. Tempeh is packed with protein, fiber, and probiotics, which promote gut health. Its firm texture makes it an ideal meat substitute, particularly for those seeking a more substantial alternative. 5. Seitan, the wheat-based meat, China, Japan, and Western vegan cuisine. Seitan, made from wheat gluten, is an incredibly versatile meat substitute, especially popular in East Asia and Western vegan cuisine. It has a chewy texture that closely resembles meat, making it an excellent choice for dishes like stir-fries, stews, and sandwiches. In China, seitan is used in vegetarian versions of classic dishes like kung pao chicken and seitan with broccoli. In Japan, it is featured in vegan versions of yakitori grilled skewers, or in tempura, battered in deep. In Western vegan cuisine, seitan is used to create plant-based steaks, burgers, and even chicken nuggets, mimicking the texture and flavor of meat. Seitan is high in protein and can be a great meat alternative for those looking for a satisfying, hearty dish. However, it's best avoided by those with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. 6. Almond milk. The plant-based milk. Global usage. Almond milk has gained global popularity as a dairy substitute due to its mild flavor and versatility. Made from ground almonds and water, almond milk is perfect for smoothies, coffee, or baking. In the US, almond milk is widely used in coffee shops as a substitute for dairy milk. Often found in lattes, cappuccinos, and other espresso-based drinks. In the Middle East, almond milk is used in festive drinks like badam milk and desserts such as almond halwa. In India, it's used in the preparation of sweet dishes like kheer or rice pudding and badam ka halwa. Almond milk is low in calories, rich in vitamins E and D, and a great choice for those who are lactose intolerant or looking to reduce dairy in their diet. 7. Aquafaba. The chickpea liquid magic. Global usage. Aquafaba, the liquid left over from cooking chickpeas or other beans, is a miraculous egg replacement in vegan baking. It has the unique ability to mimic egg whites, making it an ideal substitute in meringues, marshmallows, and vegan mayonnaise. In Europe and North America, aquafaba is used to create vegan meringues and vegan macaroons, providing the same airy texture that egg whites would. In the Middle East, it's used as a binding agent in savory dishes and desserts, especially in traditional sweets like Turkish delight. Aquafaba is an excellent source of protein and can be a great substitute for eggs in both sweet and savory recipes. 8. Zucchini noodles, the low-carb pasta alternative. Italy, North America, and Asia. Zucchini noodles, or zoodles, have become a beloved low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. Using a spiralizer, zucchini is transformed into thin, noodle-like strands, offering a healthy substitute for pasta in dishes like spaghetti and lasagna. In Italy, zucchini noodles are often used as a gluten-free substitute in spaghetti and lasagna. In North America, zoodles are commonly paired with marinara sauce or used in zoodle salads for a light and refreshing meal. In Asia, zucchini is often incorporated into stir-fries as a crunchy vegetable replacement for noodles or rice. Zucchini is low in calories and packed with water, making it a great alternative for those looking to reduce carbs or boost their vegetable intake. 9. Cashew cream, the dairy-free cream alternative. India, Southeast Asia, and the West. Cashew cream is made by blending soaked cashews with water to create a rich, creamy base. This dairy-free alternative works beautifully in savory dishes, desserts, and as a topping for soups. In India, cashew cream is used in the preparation of rich curries, like shahi paneer and korma. In Southeast Asia, cashew cream is often used in vegan curries and stir-fries. In Western vegan cuisine, cashew cream is the base for plant-based sauces, cheesecakes, and dairy-free ice cream. Cashew cream is high in healthy fats and offers a rich, creamy texture without any dairy, making it a go-to for vegan and lactose-free recipes. The future of food substitutes. As we've explored in this episode, food substitutes have become an essential part of global culinary practices. Whether you're exploring jackfruit as a meat substitute or using cashew cream in place of dairy, these creative swaps are not only better for our health and the planet, but also open up new flavors, textures, and possibilities in the kitchen. From cauliflower rice to tofu-based desserts, there's an entire world of ingredients waiting to be explored. These substitutions not only serve dietary needs, but also help preserve the environment by reducing food waste and supporting sustainable agriculture. As you embark on your culinary adventures, don't hesitate to experiment with these swaps in your own kitchen. Let us know what food substitutions have transformed your cooking experience. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting episodes from Global Eats Uncovered. Stay curious, adventurous, and always hungry for new flavors.